In April 2016, the World Bank Group and the Sexual Violence Research Initiative awarded 9 teams from around the world a total of $1.2 million to advance innovative research and programming to prevent gender-based violence. This program not only promotes research uptake, it provides the awardees access to capacity-building workshops and high-level policymakers, helping them to disseminate sustainable solutions to enable women and children to live a life free from violence.
80% of what we know works to prevent and reduce violence against women comes from North America. So we are funding 9 projects from low or middle income countries that will contribute to that very limited evidence base and give us a larger possibility of interventions to draw from.
Gender-based violence is more than a human rights issue, it's more than a public health issue. It's really an impediment for us to be able to address a number of the global issues that we are facing today, like poverty, like HIV/AIDS, like inequalities, and that unless institutions such as the World Bank give the issue the priority that it deserves, our efforts are really going to come short.
It's really exciting because I'm not only meeting collaborative partners and women affected, but also people who are in the field to make decisions, to launch the platform at tackling these issues on the ground.
We're here to acknowledge, celebrate, and reward outstanding, courageous, and innovative work to prevent gender-based violence around the world.
This award is very important to our project because we would like to target men and boys to participate themselves to be able to reduce gender-based violence against women in their communities.
Our project is going to analyze the impact of various types of social transfers, food, cash, and training provided to women on intimate partner violence. This will allow us to learn whether transfers on their own are enough to reduce intimate partner violence or whether you really need other components.
When we first met in Thailand, we were really working on understanding the prevalence of violence against sex workers. It was very new at the time.
It made me feel very proud because we always, as sex worker, we have a lot of the stigma. But when someone gives us a value, we believe that we can do something for the future.
We have wanted to do this project on child marriage for almost 2 years. And so to have this opportunity to work with Syrian communities so that these girls can go to school and become more productive and healthy members of society really means a lot.
The development marketplace for innovation on gender-based violence has an important role to play. Your innovation and commitment are crucial to our search for scalable solutions.
This research that we've actually supported today and given awards for will actually help to build a body of evidence that helps us to better understand what can reduce and prevent gender-based violence.
World Bank is really pleased to announce today that we'll be running future development marketplaces for innovations on the prevention of gender-based violence, and we hope to actually create a community of practitioners, academics, policymakers who can take the evidence on what works to prevent violence and to scale it.
I think this is a great week because it gives the opportunity for people like me who are based in Washington to discuss issues with people that are conducting gender-based violence research in the field, and we've both benefited from the conversations.
ทั้ง 9 โครงการมาอยู่ด้วยกันได้แลกเปลี่ยนได้พูดคุยมันก็มีประโยชน์ที่เราจะสามารถนำกลับไปปรับใช้กับงานของเราได้ด้วย
We are so happy that the World Bank has chosen to fund this project because we are going to get to talk to the policymakers in very significant institutions that are funding programs in Africa right now.
Muy importante, me alienta de que alrededor del mundo seamos muchos y cada vez más quienes vayamos también preocupándonos por el tema que es crucial para la calidad de vida.
The good news is that, as today's award winners have shown, violence against women and children can be prevented and survivors can heal.